Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Gail, and today I have a different kind of video for you. So I got a subscription to Birch Box from my dear friend Jennifer Garman for Christmas, which is a very sweet, thoughtful, and insanely generous gift. Excuse me. I used to get Ipsy, and my mom got it for me for my birthday every year, and I really liked it. And then there at the end, I don't know, they weren't listening. I was like, send me a purple nail polish again, I swear, see what happens. And they did, and I don't know, I'm just like that. I'm a brat. I quit them. They just didn't listen to, like, once I do a review, I want you to listen. Okay, I don't want purple nail polishes anymore. Like, come on. And that may seem petty, but, you know, if I'm going to spend my money on you every single month, I want you at least, you know, kind of take my wants into consideration. So I quit Ipsy, and I also had too much. I felt like I had more than enough. I needed to go through what I had, and I did. And so this was, you know, 2 years that I've quit it. So I wanted to have something like it, and, you know, I've been wanting to do it, but Jennifer went ahead and got it for me for Christmas, which was amazing. It comes in this outer box, which is good, because I might be able to use this for Happy Meal. Like if I had a binder, actually my Valentine's project, and it would just protect it in there. Now I will already say, I got this kind of box, which I'm using for crafting, and I like this box because I have a top and a bottom, but this box is different. So this is the first box I've actually gotten. This was just the box they sent me to do, it was like a box, but it just had like the gift card for the subscription in there. So anyway, so I figured I would hop on and do an unboxing video. If you can hear the rain, it is like torrential day. I literally just went to check the mail, and this box was in there, and 2 minutes later it was like thunder, lightning, and pouring. So I had good timing. Alright, so Birch Box. And I wasn't able to get the curated box. I signed up just a little bit too late. And then, so next month I'm going to try to do one of the curated boxes, but, ooh, okay, I already see some brands that I like. The Malin & Goats, I like that brand. Arrow Marcel Pie, I guess. Touch and Soul. Alright, so we'll just get into it. Really cool, bright tissue paper that I'll be able to reuse in my crafting. So if you guys don't like this, I want you to let me know. Okay, no more Birch Box videos. I could do a separate channel or something for them. Malin & Goats Revitalizing Eye Gel, which that's something I can use. I wake up so early for work. I would like for my eyes to look like I'm more awake. I don't necessarily always, actually I don't wear makeup to work because it's just, I get up at 3:30 already. I don't need to put makeup on, and it's, you know, sometimes it gets hot in there and sweaty, and it just runs all, it just, I don't know, I just feel like it's not worth it to wear makeup. So, and plus I'm older now, I don't care. I used to wear makeup every single day to work. Okay, so this is Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. And I guess this is the brand, the Touch and Soul, so this is what the card is telling us. Oh, it's new to Birch Box. Okay, Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, full size. Oh, so this is a full-size product. It's worth $32 if you were to buy it. This smooth moisturizing primer melts into skin, leaving behind a brighter complexion and a glow that lasts all day. Apply as the last step of your skincare routine. Huh. And I should read the Malin & Goats one. This soothing, hydrating eye gel alleviates tired-looking eyes by cooling on contact and brightening skin with diamond powder. Dab a little underneath eyes with your ring finger. So I'll try that when I go to work Monday. Okay, this is mascara, and I love little mascaras because I feel like it's just something that you want to change a lot. Now, certain powders and palettes, you know, you can kind of wipe those with alcohol wipes and sanitize them. And I use, you know, MAC stuff lasts forever, Urban Decay stuff lasts forever, but mascara I like to change out. I only like to use for a month, 6 weeks tops, and then change it out. So I love getting sample-sized mascaras. And this is Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara, full size, $15. This mascara's uniquely shaped wand is designed to hug your eye's natural curve so it can reach every lash with its curling and lengthening formula. So when I open this, I will try to remember to take a picture. Let's see, this is Arrow brand Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. Yes, I love getting lip balms. Lip balm is something I can never have enough of. I want one in my craft room. I want one in my car. I want one in my purse. I want one in my work tote. I want one by my comfy chair. I want one by my bed. Maybe I like one at my vanity so that when I'm putting on makeup, that's the first thing I do. So I love getting lip balm. Arrow, boost color enhancing lip balm, blush hour, so it must be tinted. This ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips pH to create a flattering rosy pink hue that's unique to only you. And I guess I should be showing these. Okay. This was the Marcel mascara, curling and lengthening. I can't wait to try this out because this might be something that would help me look better for work, but without having to put actual makeup on. And now that I'm about to be 40 next week, I really just want to start using wrinkle cream and stuff like that. Okay, Pie. Chamomile and Rosehip Calming Day Cream. The full size is $60. This repairing... Okay, so these aren't full sizes, but it's telling you how much the full sizes were if you were going to purchase them. Okay, so I'm a noob, so forgive me for whatever nonsense I said before. So this is Pie Calming... I'm sorry, Chamomile and Rosehip Calming Day Cream. And this repairing moisturizer has a natural skin soothing agents for a calmer complexion with less redness, which I could use that. Massage into a clean face and neck in the morning. Follow with SPF. Okay, cool. So it's telling me how to use everything. And then, okay, so I got shampoo and conditioner, which I love these little ones because if you're just going on a weekend trip, I'm probably only going to wash my hair. Well, you know, I'll wash my hair the Friday when I leave and then maybe Sunday again. So these little, it's really storming. These little shampoos are great. So this is, I don't know how to say this, Oribe, whatever, signature shampoo and conditioner. And the full size would be $44. Upgrade your routine with this Luxe Lychee extract infused shampoo and hydrating tangle fighting conditioner packed with macadamia nut seed oil that delivers antioxidants. So that's cool. I can't wait to smell it. I don't know what a lychee smells like. So that's pretty cool. So that's kind of, if you want to pause it, and that's everything that I got. And I'm really excited to use some of these. I will use the lip balm today. And that's everything I got. So once I use them, I will kind of come back and let you guys know what I thought. Do you guys get Birch Box? Do you get any other kind of beauty subscriptions? And also, did you like this video? Did you not like this video? If no one is going to watch these, I don't want to put them on. And, you know, just let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video.